Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a graphic drawing tablet. So in case you guys are looking for a graphic drawing tablet, then definitely this review will help you. So this one is from Parblo from Amazon. So let's open it and see how this graphic tablet look. This is a graphic tablet. Yes, this is a graphic tablet. Is this one? So this is this tablet. It comes with a
first. So we need to start tablet and then open and see what's inside.
Okay, we will open it. We will open it. Okay. Okay, we will open it and see. Okay, this is the. Yes, this is a packaging. So the packaging is definitely nice.
What's inside. So we need to what's inside.
Okay, you can see guys. This is the tablet. Oh wow, this is the tablet. Oh, wow, you like it?
What's this inside? What?
Yeah. So this is the tablet. Draw whatever you want. So this is a graphic tablet, means you can draw whatever you want. And this one is the tablet charger. So it's type C charger, and the tablet is wiping. This one is also. So there is some extra nib, and it's like some. This one is a
new tablet.
Yeah, new tablet. Yeah, this is one is pen, graphic pen.
Pen?
Yes, a pen. To connect this tablet, you just have to download parblo.com.
Support.parblo.com.
So you just have to go support.parblo.com and download the download it and install.
Download Windows graphic tablet. Right?
Yeah, see, this one is A610 Pro. So you just have to.
Yeah, this one.
This one.
Download. Once it's downloaded, create your remote light, then it install. Complete. And then
You just have to connect it to that. After installing the driver, you can see this is how it looks, the pen tablet.
yeah, it has to assign which monitor you want to assign.
Yeah, because it's like 2-3 monitor. If you are just connecting in only one laptop, then I think it should be easier, right?
Yes. Monitor 3 is this one. And maybe this is they're mapping your edge of this to your screen. That's it, ma'am. And then if you hit OK, then I think, see, it's working now.
Oh, now it's working. You can see he's just driving a. She's writing something, right? Something.
First, you have to point it to the right location actually. In paint brush.
So it's clickable also, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
First, you have to align these 4 corners to your screen. Then whatever you do in the screen, like a touch screen, you can do it. Like if I move it to there and then finally close it, maybe I should be able to close. But depends on that one. See,
but whatever you write here, you cannot see it in this tablet, right? You just have to see it in the desktop.
Yeah. This is not. This is just writing like a touchpad. That's all. It's a like big touchpad. Like in laptop, you have a small touchpad. This is a big touchpad with pressure sensitive things. So like like a if you have used Samsung Note, you have like a S pen, right? This is like a S pen.
Yeah.
That's why if you use it for doing.
Oh, you can do it in the computer. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, like mostly for drawing, and if you want to.
Can you draw something and show it in the screen?
Yeah, but first you have to open a drawing application, right? Because on Notepad it doesn't support drawing. Or if you take a screenshot, you can. Actually, once I open this one, now I can draw. Actually, I can first you have to put a point here, like this one and this one, and on like if you take a screenshot, like for this one, if I take a screenshot. Now this screenshot I should be able to change.
Oh, okay. You can write something. Okay.
Yeah, it's basically it's for drawing. People who want to draw something, here, like for example, you want to create a new drawing here, you can actually do like this. Start doing like that.
Yeah, because it's difficult to do with mouse, like Paint app, right? If you are using the Paint app and it's difficult to do mouse, so it's I think for Paint app it's you can use this one, right? Or any other app, but just you just want to draw something or sketching and all these things.
It's for sketching only.
Sketching, like digital sketch, you can say.
But it is, I would say, less lag. But problem is that to point at right position. Like for example, I don't know when I touch it here. Like for example, if I want to write here, let me under my mouse, right here. With mouse, I know exactly how to start. But if I want to touch the top of the mountain or whatever is that thing, I don't know where to start. First, I will start somewhere.
And they guess then.
Oh, now see, I can see now the pointer.
If you just if you put it near the tablet, right?
Yeah. So if you hover, then you see the pointer. Then you can start. Okay, now it's easy.
Oh, yeah, it's
so you hover it and figure out. Like for example, if I want to touch that person there.
Yeah, person and just border the person. Yeah.
Like this, I can do it. Okay, so if I want to border the person here, I can do like this. Yeah, if you hover, don't touch. Even if you touch it, you should see where it starts. But if you hover, also it shows where the
pointer is. Yeah, it's easy then. And I think for graphic designer and for the painter and people who want digital sketching, this one is a great option.
Yeah, for digital sketching, it's a great option.
Yes.
It depends on how smooth, but I feel it's
smooth.
It's smooth actually.
Yes.
It's not that bad. It's smooth.
And also use is also easy for use. You just have to download one software. That's all, right?
Yeah. It takes time to get used to it.
Yeah, because we are not used to it. The graphic tablets and all this.
Yeah. And there definitely is little lag.
Little lag.
Yeah. But the lag is
negligible.
Not that bad. I'd love to see, like I can't just tell because I don't use it. So in real time, for example, while working, I take a screenshot and then try to do something. How useful is it? I have to really use it to tell. But I don't think in my preliminary use, I find it takes some time to get used to it, because if I have to take screenshot right now, immediately I can take screenshot with the mouse. I can easily circle. It's not that bad. But with this one, it will take some time. Okay,
because we are not used to it. Yeah, it will take after 1-2 months just to get used to it, because it's a new one for it. You have not used it before. To set your hand, you just have.
But it is better than mouse, definitely.
Yeah, definitely better than mouse because it's more flexible.
Yes.
And one more.
These are adapters from USB 3.1 to USB Type-C converter. So if you have a regular USB 3.1, you can convert it to Type-C or micro USB. That's what it is.
Okay.
So those are the converters they have provided, I think.
This is for charging?
Yeah, this is for charging. Charging, or I don't know.
Yeah, I think charging, because here is no, there is no.
It's just to keep the pen actually, that's all. Maybe just to keep the pen. Yeah, just to keep the pen.
So this pen doesn't need any like charger or anything? Any charge or anything?
I don't think so, because It is not. It is passive. There are two kinds: active touch and passive touch. This is passive. So that could be the thing. So this is a set. It takes some time. Once you install the driver, it takes couple of minutes for it to recognize. And this is the pen and tablet software in your computer. If you open, it shows like that. So if I move to this side, so if I close right now, so if I do this, no, if I do like this, and then these three dots, pen settings, and then where is that? Let me see, how did that open? So that's the thing. So once you install the driver, press this first switch. Once you press it, you will see this one coming up. This one comes up. And I think there is a way you can probably assign other stuff, but that's it. Press the first one to bring this up, and this is the setup.
Yeah, this is the way you use it. After installing the driver, you just see this screen. Then you just have to.
The two switches right here. So once you click those, you can assign the what will be the top one is which action, the bottom one which action. Like that, you can set up different actions for this, and then the sensitivity. It also shows like a curve, like how sensitive, and these things you can adjust also. And then the third thing is that you have to align your desktop with this touch surface, so that the left and the right, when you scroll here or when you touch it, which area it impacts. So it just does that. So, and right-handed, left-handed, that's pretty much it. Yep. And they also do that monitor, that which is good, because based on your monitor you have to align that one, because each monitor will have different resolution. So
scratch because you didn't see that here is a like a screen protector or something. You just have to open this one. So now it looks nice.
Now you can do like this.
Do like this, yes. Yeah, you can put a screen protector just to protect this one.
It's not a screen, so don't put any protector.
Yeah.
It's solids.
So yeah, definitely this one is a helpful product for who are willing for designing or sketching and all these things.
Mostly for drawing and
sketching, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.